Hello, good morning. Welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. You all are welcome to watch my videos, and I hope you are preparing. The students are preparing the notes and learning different topics, and I am giving the basic information in all the topics in regular mathematics. So this may be useful for third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class, or till 10th class. Even the job aspirants who are preparing for exams also, they are utilizing these techniques. The basic information what I am giving today will definitely help you one or the other day in your life. So among these, for the last few episodes, we are doing different topics, right? So in the last two episodes, I have explained about LCM. So I have explained about HCF, HCF is highest common factor and the least common multiples. Of just two numbers I gave an example. So now we'll go with the bigger numbers. So how to do it? How to do with bigger numbers like 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. So before that, so we have some formula. So first of all, we'll discuss about those things. So here, suppose we'll deal with HCF and LCM, highest common factor as well as lowest common multiple. So based on these two combinations, what the sums will be and how we are going to do that today we are going to learn. Suppose if I take a number 6 and if I take a number 8, there are two numbers. First number is 6, the next number is 8. First we will find out how to find out HCF. Means first of all we have to write factors of 6 and factors of 8. This is the one procedure which I have explained in our last episodes. So what are the factors of 6? 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 6 1s are 6. These are the factors of 6. Now coming to 8. What are the factors of 8? 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8. In 3 it will not come. Then again 4 2s are 8, 5 no, 6 no, 7 no, 8 1s are 8. These are the factors of 8. So among these, what are the common factors? What are the common factors are 1, 2, only 1 and 2 are the common factors, because 3 is not here, 6 is not here, or 4 or 8 also is not here. So which is the highest common factor now? Highest common factor is nothing but 2. Just remember and keep in your mind. So for a number called 6 and 8, the common factors were these, and the common factors are 1 and 2, and the highest common factor is nothing but 2. Just give me. Now coming to LCM. Now just now we did HCF. Now if you do LCM of the 6 and 8. So as I told 6, 8, the divisibility method. So first we will start with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Again I will take with 2. In 2, 3 will not come, so will remain same. Keep the number same. And 2 2s are 4. Again with 2 if I take, so this 3 will remain same. 2 1s are. Now here these two number 3 and 1 will not go in 2 table. So but we can take 3. So 3 1s are 3 1s. So what are the numbers left here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are 8 into 3, which is equal to 24. So 24 is the LCM, that is least common multiple is 24 among the two numbers 6 and 8. Now here what we did for number 6 and 8, we did HCF, that we got 2, and we did LCM, that is 24. Now LCM and HCF we got. Just keep in your mind, and here there is a formula that LCM is multiplied by HCF is nothing but product of two numbers. Okay, it is product of two numbers. What are the two numbers? 6 is a number, 8 is a number. So let A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8. So LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Product means multiplication. Always remember, product means multiplication, sum means addition, difference means subtraction. These are the basic things you have to learn. Okay, so now what I am writing is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. What are the two numbers we are assuming? A and B. So product means multiplication. So that is nothing but A into B. So this is a formula. So we'll check whether it verifies or not. What is the LCM you got? This is the LCM, right? 24. Write down. Into what is HCF is given? 2. We got 2 as HCF. This is highest common factor, that is 2. Which is equal to what is A? What is the first number? 6. Into what is B? That is 8. Now if you check 24 2s are 48, which is equal to 6 8s are 48. That means this equation satisfies. This is the most important problem you will come across in your lifetime. So here, if two numbers were given, we have to multiply those two numbers and that value should be equal to their LCM as well as their GCD. Multiplication, that to the product of their LCM and GCD, or HCF also we can call. I hope you definitely understood. So suppose I'll write some more questions regarding this one, so which is related to LCM as well as HCF. We'll check now. So first of all, we calculate the numbers by seeing the number of digits, right? So LCM of two numbers we know how to find out. HCF of two numbers we know how to find out. If it 3, 4 or any other bigger numbers if it gives also, you can do it in the same pattern which I am going to explain, right? So here on the blackboard, on the whiteboard, I wrote a question. First you read the question, you understand it, and we'll find out what to do, how to do. The product of two numbers is 144. What is given? Product. Product means multiplication of what? Two numbers. What are the two numbers? You don't know. So let the numbers be A and B. Product means what? A into B. Alright. Product is equal to given as product is equal to 144. Product means what? A into B is equal to 144. So this is the first basic information we got from the question. And the HCF of two numbers is 8. That means he given HCF is equal to 8. And what is asking to find? Find the LCM of the two numbers. So we have to find the LCM of these two numbers. So these are the things given in the question. One is product of two numbers. So let the two numbers be A and B or X and Y or any alphabet you can take. These two numbers is 144 and of those two numbers HCF is given as 8. Now we are going to find out what is the LCM. Now we'll check now. Just now I have explained A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. We can write, or LCM into HCF is also equal to A into B. The product of two numbers is equal to the product of LCM and HCF. Among this, LCM is not given, just write as it is, into what is HCF given? 8. This HCF given as 8 is equal to, there is no A or B given in the question, but the product is 144. That is A into B is equal to 144 is given. Write down 144. Now we are going to find out only LCM. So LCM is equal to 144 divided by 8. This numerator 8 will come to the denominator. So as you know 8 table, you can get cancelled to 8 table, or you can do with the two table, like 2 4s are 8, cancellation pressure. 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Again, 2 times of 2 is 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 will left, 2 6s are 12. Again, 2 1s are 2 18s are. That means LCM is equal to 18. So if the product of two numbers and HCF is given, this is the way how we are going to find out LCM. Suppose product of two numbers is given and LCM is given, and if you want to find out HCF, then what do you do? Same formula, just to substitute it, but instead of LCM, we take HCF as left side and LCM number will come down and do the calculation. It's a simple logic to find out this type of problems using this formula. The formula is product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So hope you understood this concept. So definitely you will prepare notes and you can practice with different numbers. If at all any doubts will be there, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number, so which I am giving down, and you can write comments in my channel also. So thank you very much for today's class. Have a nice day.